Hello,
Hi.
I'm Blair.
I remember you.
Yeah, I was in the last video.
Yay. I'm Randy.
I know that.
I got a tractor. I haul tobacco.
I know you got tobacco and a tractor.
Yeah. I like racing.
Me too.
Really?
Well, I never gone racing.
When you go to race, the cars go wee, 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 wee. Oh, hey, don't touch me. Tickle me.
Tickle me.
Keep googling, stop it. Okay.
Do you like Google?
Google? Yeah, I like Google. You can type in anything. You can
Like how
you can see me about anything in there. Yeah. Oh. 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 Please stop it. Hey.
What?
I like cash money.
Yes.
I've made $1.
To holler?
I caught a snake. Got $1. Somebody paid me. I can catch a snake now, and I see him. I sneak up on it. He go into hiss. Yes, I say, yeah, and I get him.
I got a snake.
Yeah.
I got a snake.
Really?
A stuffed animal.
Give me $1, I'll catch him. Oops.
Here's $1.
Really? Ooh. I like me some Halloween. I like to dress up.
As a...
What? What'd you dress up as? And I'll tell you. Tell me, and I'll tell you.
A leopard, but it was supposed to be a cat.
Huh?
So a cat.
Oh, I dressed up as a racing man. Yeah, race car. Vroom, vroom. Yeah, boy.
I thought you would dress up as a bass.
No. You know, I was sitting out in my stand. Last Tuesday. Dropped me a 6-pointer.
Hey.
I done dropped me a 6-pointer. Yep.
Hey, do you like bass?
I love me a good bass. Yeah. When I go fishing, all I catch is bass. Some of the best bass. Yep. I done told you that.
What does my shirt say?
Bass?
No! It's not bass. Whoa.
Well, you ain't got to laugh. Don't laugh at me.
Hello.
We're going to have some trouble. You start laughing at Randy.
Hello.
Who you be?
Congo?
Dang, tell me you's coming.
I'm a gorilla.
A who?
Gorilla.
Don't get so close to me now. Be easy. Ow. Ooh.
Congo.
Ooh.
Don't attack them.
You know, I don't know yous like that. Come on now.
Let me go get someone.